CKWS Television, your community, your news.
This is News Watch at 11. Tonight, Statistics Canada examines the doctor shortage in Kingston. A Kingston landmark gets a new lease on life. And right on track, we check out the Bombardier test facility. One of Canada's biggest success stories is right here in our own backyard. The Bombardier test facility in Loyalist Township produces total transit systems that are used all over the world. Newswatch's Chris Harvey takes us on a tour and updates us on some of the transportation company's latest projects.
This train has been in the development stage for 2 years. It, and many like it, will soon carry thousands of citizens in the city of Yongin, South Korea, and the train doesn't need a driver.
This train right now is under automatic train control. The driver itself are these two computers right here. They're controlling the speed, the stopping accuracy, the door functions, everything to do with the normal human interface a driver would do. These two computers are doing that all for us.
It's perfectly safe. Dozens of Bombardier trains like this one have been in service for years. The Vancouver SkyTrain, in Detroit, Kuala Lumpur, and at New York's JFK Airport. Up front is a manual control panel which allows maintenance technicians or drivers to take over control of the train. Most of the light rapid train systems are elevated.
For instance, Vancouver was 114 cars the first time. It's been operating, as I said, since '86. It was for Expo '86, and it was totally designed, procured, manufactured, tested, and commissioned on this site.
The facility was opened 30 years ago this month by the Ontario government. Since then, the testing plant has undergone many changes. The trains used to be made in Kingston, but are now built in Thunder Bay. Kingston engineers developed the company's leading-edge technology, which keeps Bombardier ahead of the rest of the world. The motors on these cars don't power the wheels, so in icy conditions there's no concerns about lack of traction.
This is an electric train powered by 750 volts DC, and it uses linear induction motor technology, which is basically a large magnet underneath the train dragging it along the track.
And the testing done on this private track is rigorous.
One car alone went through a 5,000 kilometer endurance test. Every other car that comes down here goes through a series of very specific tests, and then it goes through a 1,000 kilometer endurance test, each individual car.
Each car costs well over $1 million, and the total contract on a light rapid train system can easily top $1 billion. With electrifying deals like this in the works, Bombardier is poised to keep quietly humming along. Chris Harvey, CKWS Newswatch, Loyalist Township.